Hi there. Today we're going to be talking about using LinkedIn, particularly the mobile app, if you're attending trade shows and professional networking events. This is Stan Robinson with SHR Marketing. And two tips here. First, if you are going to be attending an event, make sure that you reach out to your prospects, your clients, and use it as an opportunity to reconnect with them or invite them to connect and ask if they will be attending the same event. Also, speakers at the event, it is a great opportunity to reach out to them and to either follow them or invite them to connect, particularly if you will be attending their presentations. Second, LinkedIn's Find Nearby feature, which is part of the mobile app, is designed particularly for these types of events. So you find that by going to My Network. You want to go into your phone settings beforehand and enable Bluetooth. Now, when you click on or tap on My Network, you'll see Find Nearby in the top middle of the page. And what it will show you are other people who also have that open on their mobile devices within about 100 feet of you. So in this case, we're looking at my wife, Diane Robinson. I'm not at a trade show, so I'm having to do this another way. But once the person's profile comes up, you have the option to message them, or you can go directly to their profile through this app. So just wanted to make those 2 points. Take advantage of trade events to reach out, reconnect with people, and when you are actually at the event, use the Find Nearby feature to connect with new people. When you actually do meet them at the event, take the opportunity to ask if they're open to connecting on LinkedIn. One thing I'll do is open the app on my phone, hand it to them, have them find themselves, and go ahead and invite themselves to connect with me if they're open to that while we're standing there talking. Okay, hope this helps. Have an awesome day, and connect with me on LinkedIn as well as Twitter. I'm at Stan Robinson. Take care and have an awesome day. Bye now.